welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I have a hacks video for you. I am so excited about this. Now y'all know, before I jump into today's video, make sure you dolls hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell next to it so you guys never miss a post. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. Alright guys, this is what we're working with today. Dryer sheets. Now we all know that everybody has this. Everybody's mama, everybody's grandma has dryer sheets in your home, and I've come to realize that there's actually a lot more uses than just throwing this in the dryer with your load of laundry to kill the static. But today we're gonna be putting some of these hacks to the test to see if they really work. And I was looking up some uses for this and I was just like, what? Like, there's no way that's going to work to do that thing. But today we're gonna put it to the test. So some of these hacks involve using a fresh dryer sheet, and then some of them will involve using a used dryer sheet, which is perfect because what else are you gonna do with it after you finish running a load of laundry? Well, I'm about to show you guys in today's video, so stick around. We're just gonna grab our dryer sheets and pray that this works, because these are expensive. I'm not trying to be wasting these to figure out if they work or not. Okay, so this first hack says that we could use a dryer sheet to clean off the water stains off of our shower doors. Now I have like glass shower doors and they get watermarks all over the place, and it's really irritating to have to clean every single time your girl takes a shower. So we're gonna see. There's like so many drips. I don't know if you can tell if it's gonna work. Or is it gonna make it worse? Like, what in the world? I can't tell if it's removing the marks or if it's just getting dryer sheet residue everywhere. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. I don't know if this is working. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. I would say that this hack probably doesn't work. The next hack says that we could use a new dryer sheet to polish our stainless steel appliances. I know for me, my fridge gets so many fingerprints and like smudges on it sometimes from just opening it and closing it to see what food I have or don't have. So we're gonna see if this removes all of those annoying fingerprints. Okay. My refrigerator, as you can see, has lots of fingerprints and marks. You could see a handprint or something there. But let's see if this will remove and or polish our stainless steel appliances, because I'm very curious. Now I'm using a new one, so I imagine it would kind of just work as a polishing product. Wow, this is so dirty. Let's see and hope and pray that this one makes the cut. Okay, wait, I'm not even mad at this hack. I see you, dryer sheet. I could almost see my whole reflection. It polished it so well. Okay, this is definitely a hack I'll be utilizing in my cleaning routine, because come on. Wow, okay, so I did the top half and then the bottom I didn't do, but you could see there's like smudges. Up here it's just like gleaming and shining for days, looks brand new. I am not mad at this one at all. Now this one I'm just kind of thinking, what? You want me to use a dryer sheet on my whip? You want me to use this to take off bugs? Dead bugs. Who thought this was a good idea? So let me take you out to my car. It's really dirty. I drove it to Nevada, and on the way to Vegas, so many dead bugs just splattering everywhere. So let's see if this removes some of the dead bugs, and maybe I won't have to go get a car wash. Now don't judge me too hard. My car has a lot of dead bugs. This is so gross. But we're gonna see if this freaking dryer sheet hack works or not. I can't tell what's bird poop and what's actually dead bugs, but we're gonna see. Oh my god. Well, it polished my grill for me. Ew. I would say for the average person who actually washes their car and doesn't go on a road trip, this could work. But I don't know. Apparently we could take these dryer sheets to clean off the dust and the debris on our baseboards, and that's like one thing I overlook when I'm cleaning my apartment. Like, I'm dusting, I'm vacuuming, I'm wiping surfaces, I'm changing my sheets on my bed, but I'm not like, yeah, let me go ahead and clean my baseboards. So maybe this will come in handy, and maybe it will become a part of my regular schmegular routine to utilize these to take off the dust that just gets collected throughout the weeks. I just exposed my dirty baseboard, so let's see how well this gets rid of the dust. Yep, I would say this hack is definitely a winner. I'll be using this hack more often, especially once I finish with my used dryer sheets, because that'd be a great way to remove all of that built-on yucky stuff from my baseboards. Now I'm gonna see if this actually removes the fingerprints on my MacBook. It says we could use this on our computer screens and electronic screens. Anyone else's MacBook or laptop look like this? I don't even know how that is physically possible, because I swear I do not touch my screens. But we're gonna see if our little dryer sheet, okay, removes any of this, or if it's gonna make it worse. Oh, I'm already scared. Oh no. I'ma just say that this doesn't work, because I could just tell this is gonna make it look 20 times worse than what it already does. She's not really dirty. Let's see. This is weird. I feel like I'm just wiping laundry. I mean, it smells good. But like, does it work? Did it work? I feel like it just left residue from the dryer sheet. I would say that does not work. Have you ever cooked a bomb meal but you burnt your pan? So apparently we can take these dryer sheets new and use them to get rid of the burnt on bits on our potware. Like, that sounds really weird. Like, you know, you gotta put in that elbow grease like our mom and grandma taught us to scrub those pans, or you know, you've heard of that hack of just putting it on the stovetop with a little bit of water to let it boil. Well, we don't need to do any of that. We don't need to put in the heavy elbow grease because we have these. So let's see if this gets rid of the burnt bits off of the pan from my dinner, because I really burnt the thing. So let's see if it works. No. Oh no, look at this post-dinner mess. We've got some burnt bits stuck to my pan. So this next hack claims that if you use a dryer sheet, it will remove all of those burnt on pieces, and your stoveware or cookware will be restored just like new. So let's see if this thing even works. It's kind of burnt on there, like it's really burnt on. So we've got the dryer sheet. I guess I'm gonna just go for it. Like, it's really on there. Ew. Wait, hold up. What? I'm like barely even scrubbing. Oh my god, I'm shook. Wow. Bruh. Do you know how much elbow grease I would have had to use with a traditional sponge like this? Oh my god, that's gross. But like, also, this is amazing. Oh my, like that was really burnt on there, you guys. Yo, my pan, it's shot. Wow. Yeah, this might be my favorite hack so far. This looks brand spanking new. So apparently we can use our dryer sheets to remove that built up residue on our hot tools. Now this is probably burnt product, burnt extensions, like all of that yucky stuff. So I have it plugged in. It says to put the hot tool on like a really low temperature, so I'm just gonna drop it all the way down to 270, and we're gonna wait for it to warm up because I have my handy dandy, you know what, my dryer sheet, and we're gonna see if this is gonna remove all of that built up stuff. Do you see that? That is built up, ew, on my flat iron. What? We don't need that negativity in our lives. We're just gonna run this through. I mean, the plates itself are fine, it's just the gunk on this side. Oh my god, what? I feel like I just straightened the, oh my god. I feel like if you just took a regular schmegular cotton, not cotton pad, but like paper towel and wiped off the gunk, that would probably be better for you than trying to burn your house down. Isn't that crazy? Like, how many of you guys were mind blown by some of the things that I shared in today's video? What was your favorite hack? Do you have any other hacks that you could use a dryer sheet for? Let us know in the comments down below, and of course don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell next to it so you don't never miss a post. And if you like these hack videos and you want to see more of them on my YouTube channel, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to do more on different things and put them to the test. So until next time, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!